Hello and welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies. Today in this video we're going to be doing an in-depth demonstration on the Journey Zoomer folding travel power chair. The Journey Zoomer is a folding travel power chair that is FAA airline compliant and folds to be very compact and easy to travel with in a car or a vehicle or on the plane. Diving into some of the features of the Journey Zoomer, one of the biggest things is that the Zoomer does offer a very wide and comfortable seat at almost 18 inches wide. It's very comfortable and has its own 1.5 inch pre-cushion, as well as a mesh comfortable backrest. The unit itself has fixed armrests, so they're not able to elevate up and out of the way. The joystick itself can be placed on either the right or the left-hand side. It very easily powers on. On a full charge, the unit can get up to about 10 miles. And you have your speed adjustments here, and it has a top speed of about 3.5, almost 4 miles per hour. We also do have a little horn, as well as a charging port for the unit, which is located underneath. Some of the other features back here are going to be the neutral levers. So if you're ever out of power or the unit's malfunctioning, you are able to push these forward and push the chair like a normal manual wheelchair. Then you just pull those back down in order to engage the brakes, and now it's good and ready to go. One other unique feature on the Zoomer is going to be the footrest of the unit. So the footrest of the unit doesn't lock. It is always moving. But with your weight, it's able to stabilize and hold itself as you're driving it. If you're ready to get off of the unit, what's really cool about this one is if you're able to put your feet in front of it, it weighs almost nothing. So it's very easy to get your feet under you, and that way you're easily able to get up and out of the unit. With a lot of other chairs, you usually have to spread your feet, reach down, and lift that foot plate all the way up. But with the Zoomer, they thought of that and made it very simple and easy to just get your feet under you and stand right up. To fold the Zoomer chair, it's very simple. You're going to see a wire in the back. We're going to go ahead and pull on that wire, push forward, and it's going to drop down. In this folded position, the Zoomer is at a height of about 1.5 feet, so we're about 12.5 inches tall. What's really cool about this is it's able to fit in the back seat of a car going straight across the seat, and the rear and the front seat, it fits right into that gap, which is a unique feature. In this mode, it weighs about 50 pounds. If we did want to separate it even further, Zoomer thought of that, and that's why you have these two latches over here. You're going to pull these, twist slightly so they lock open, and the front base is going to separate from the rear base. So now we just made it even lighter, splitting the weight in half. So we're able now to load our motor independently, as well as load our front base independently. So to putting it back together, it can be a little tricky for the first time users. The key is you want to get this piece here, put it flush down, come to the side of the unit, make sure this piece is also flush and lined up as much as we can be. Tilt this piece back all the way, bring this in evenly. It will kind of fall into place, and then you begin just dropping this rear down, and it's going to stabilize. Once it stabilizes, it's a quick twist of these two red latches. So we'll twist that side, and we'll twist this side. And you just want to confirm and make sure it's locked, which it is. It's a little tricky, but once you learn it makes it super easy and manageable to put and load into a car. Here at Sherman Oaks Medical, we do also offer some other alternatives from the Journey Zoomer. We do have the all-new Air Elite, which is the lightest power chair on the market, weighing only 26 pounds in carbon fiber, as well as chairs like the Will Model F, which is another comparable folding power chair that's a little more rugged and designed for more of an outdoorsy person. All of these chairs are available and on display at our showroom located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. We're in the greater Los Angeles area, and our zip code is 91423. Thank you guys for tuning in to this in-depth demonstration on the Journey Zoomer folding travel power chair. We do keep this chair on display, and we encourage customers to come down and try it. For more information on the chair, you can visit our website at www.shermanoaksmedical.com. Or for any questions regarding the chair, please give us a call at 818-981-9906. Thanks again for tuning in.